Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. Happy Saturday to everybody. I hope everyone got lucky with the black cement 3s today. Super dope. My pair will be coming in within the next 2 days. I caught mine from Nike.com, so I'm super excited to get those in hand so that I can give you guys my review and my fit of the day video for that. And for those of you who have been wondering where I have been on the Tony and Nikki channel. I've been grinding over there with Tony. If you guys haven't subscribed to that channel, you definitely need to go check it out. I'm not dead. My channel's not dead. I'm still here. I'm still thriving. Living in your own home with your boyfriend, it's definitely been life-changing. So I'm still trying to get adjusted to all of that. But I'm still here. I still plan on giving you guys great content. A lot of things coming up. Okay, so y'all gotta stay tuned for that. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys an early look or an exclusive look of some sneakers that are gonna be dropping next week or this week, later next weekend. And huge shout out to Champ Sports for hooking your girl up this week with this early pair. So you guys, I can't wait to show you. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Let's do it. Alright you guys, so here you guys have it. This is what Champ Sports sent over to me. We got another pair of Jordans. Huge shout out to them. They've been blessing your girl lately with sneakers every now and then. And I'm super thankful and grateful towards them for doing that for me. But they also sent me an early pair this time. Actually really early, almost like a week early. So that's even more dope for them to be able to do that for me. But you guys, let's just go ahead and show you what they sent over to me. They sent over the black metallic gold 13s for me. These are releasing next weekend. These are only dropping in the grade school sizes, but I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a closer look or a first look actually at these sneakers. But do stay tuned because right now I'm just going to be showing you guys what they sent me. Most likely on Tuesday I will be giving you guys my full closer look and fit of the day with these sneakers. Let's just go ahead and quickly talk about what's going on here. So these are the grade school sizes. The last grade school pair that dropped in the 13s was the dark raisins. So this will be the next pair that they drop for grade school. On the upper we have this actually feels really nice. It's like an overlay black nubuck material, and then following going down we have a leather white base, and then at the bottom we have, it's not really gold, it looks more brownish, like a tannish color at the bottom for the gum bottoms, and then we have like metallic gold accents going on right here at the tip. We have Jordan and then Jordan, a gold Jordan on the tongue. But I mean, these are definitely clean. When I first saw them I wasn't like crazy about getting these, but now that I have them in hand, these are definitely a really nice quality. It's basic colors, but y'all already know how I feel about black, white, and gold. Like those three never failed in my opinion. But now that I have these in hand, they definitely look and feel a lot better than they do in photos. Like I feel like photos do give them zero justice. And again, these will be dropping on February 24th along with the bread toe ones. So these are two sneakers that are going to be dropping next Saturday. These are going to be retailing for $140. For the bread toe ones in grade school, they'll be retailing for $120. If you guys don't know what those look like either, those are going to be super dope. I'm definitely planning on copying those as well. I already got my black cement 3s, so those are on the way, but my bread toe ones, I'm definitely going to be copying those as well. I was going to be doing a February top 10 releases just because there was so much stuff dropping this month, but I didn't get a chance to do it on time, so my bad for that. Hopefully in March I'll be able to do another one because there is a lot of stuff dropping in March too. Like there's just too much going on and too much money trying to be spent, and it's just like crazy right now. But you guys, like these, I'm not even gonna lie to you, these are actually really clean, like in person. Like I want you guys to feel this nubuck material. It's so smooth and soft. Like yo, like I love it. Like I could do this all day. Literally, I could do this all day. It's just so smooth. I love it. Yes, there you have it. This is what Champ Sports sent over to your girl, the metallic gold 13s. Stay tuned. February 24th, a lot of heat is dropping for the weeks to come, so stay tuned, save your money, grind hard, and let's get it. But yeah you guys, it's your girl Nikki. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because a lot more sneaker vids, a lot more reviews coming. We got this, the black cement 3s, the bread toe ones. It's just a lot going on, all right? So y'all gotta stay tuned. Click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. It's your girl Nikki, and until next time, peace.